Hello, everyone, and welcome to the another Hall of Fame success story of the Career Acceleration Mastery. And we have Amar Jyoti, who has achieved something phenomenal in his career. Over the last 4 months, he's been working on the Career Acceleration Mastery, and what he has achieved today is he has become the next level project manager. That is, he got the promotion in the next company with a whooping 78%. So first and foremost, let me welcome Amarjyoti in our Hall of Fame interview. And let me say many congratulations for this tremendous success that you have got through the Career Acceleration Mastery.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Rakesh sir. First of all, I want to thank you and the CAM for all the guidance and the roadmaps what I have deployed or I have adopted during the learning phase. And due to that only, I have understood my core strength and beliefs, which has helped me to reach to this next level of promotion and next level of hikes. So thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Amar. And help me understand what had prompted you to join the Career Acceleration Mastery. Because when I speak about the people are very hesitant in the mid-level. They see I know how to actually find the job. Why do you need to have a coach or a mentor for that? So what prompted you to join the Career Acceleration Mastery?
Yes. First of all, I think, sir, our life is completely run with social media nowadays. If I always was scared to see that whenever I go somewhere and I see that 80% of the market or job market is hidden, only 20% is visible to us. Now, I didn't understand that topic. And always I was trying to, I thought 80% is like inside the company. So I have to reach the people of the company and get it. But it was not happening. And yes, though I'm 9 years of experience, but I understood somewhere down the line, I have reached my saturation level, what I am doing right now. And if I don't do something with me, I will stuck always on this with respect to financially and everything. When I saw your post with respect to the webinar on the social media, and I thought, let's give it a try. And I just want to put it in a very truth way. It's a one and only webinar which I have actually attended. Because what in my language, they say that if you put lots of fish in front of a bird, right, the bird get blind, which you want to have. So I always feel to go with only one thing. So I just went ahead, and the first webinar when you have given, I understood rather than this session is rather than giving a job, it's about how you can create your own value in front, not only on a job, on a business and everything. And the second decision I took, I'll just go ahead with camp. That is one thing. B, when I was going through the course and I was just understanding the topics and everything, what I have understood is that I never measured myself against the skills which I opt, or within the skills which I have with me. I always feel that I am always underperformed person who doesn't have lots of skills. But when I created the COCs and COI, I understood I have lots of experience. I have lots of things. And that's the same thing which you would always discuss. You have to talk about your experience. You have to find out your experiences. B. C. I understood what LinkedIn is. That's the one other part. And I want to cascade that information or like my experience with LinkedIn. The jobs which I got right now, the offer which I got and couple of offers which is right now in the pipeline, everything has been provided or blessed me by LinkedIn. I understood how the LinkedIn has to be used, and I have never used anything else. I just followed the step which is provided in the camp. I just followed that, and everything just went ahead continuously. And suppose it's not a fast forward or Tatkal ticket that I'll update today and I'll get this something. I started doing it on May. I started gaining the value on the July end and August 1st. So it takes a little bit of time to come up on the radar. You need to come to the radar. Fourth, the best part is that preparing for the interviews. When we focus on, and I am actually from ITL background where I do incident management and all. Lots of my friends used to say, no problem, you change your job with respect to incident management, something which I don't want to do. I want to go to the next level. That was my always plan. So I started preparing for that. And I just simply use your star formula to create more than 40 types, 40 I'm talking about, 40 types of questions and answers with respect to me, what can be asked in an interview. I went ahead, I searched in the websites, I found out a couple of questions with respect to Amazon, Walmart, Sprinkler, and other most companies, and I combined them and created it. What I have understood during this, if anyone wants to go for an interview, they have to understand the core values and beliefs of that company. If you can hit that with your arrow, your job is almost pakka there. And I designed my data. I have almost 8 type of CVs and 8 type of resumes, which can be replied in different ways. So this is the major part. Now coming to persuasion and a negotiation part, which is the most crucial part. As you said, we always have to negotiate on the peak point of negotiation where win-win situations can come. For me, maybe I was blessed. I had a better relationship with the person with the spoke of HR when I was going through the process of interview. For Sprinkler, I went through around 7 rounds of interview. So 5 are technical, 6 was the HR, and 3rd was the negotiation round. Before that, during the first 5 rounds, I had so good bonding with the HR person. That person actually went in and he helped me to crack my HR round, because that HR round was crucial. If I don't clear that, I could not have gone ahead. So I cleared that. And then they went ahead, they discussed about my experience, my years of experience and all these things. And they came up with a package, and which we talked about already, sir, that is, you said 78%. It is the first package which they have given to me. And I could not say, I could not negotiate more, because I have to be somewhere down the line, have to play something with respect to my notice period. So I kept it there because I knew this is good as per the market right now as compared to the market. And I am going to join that company as a project manager, second, not the first, the second. So, and I'll be directly reporting to the directors and will work on the creating of new products and business for my client. So that's the 4 phases of learning which I have with Ken. And it's not only going through the program completely, maybe someone can complete 50%, but how we utilize it to ourselves and to other things, that matters, sir. And that's the best part, I think, from my
Absolutely.
learning.
You have killed it, I would say, more than me. To be
Thank
very
you
honest,
so much.
Amar, I really appreciate the depth that you have gone into, the way you have probably executed it with the plan and the strategy, and the preparation which most of the people lack.
Yes.
What most of the people in the mid-career want is something to be presented in a platter.
Yeah.
Let me give you a platter and I'll eat it. So that is not an attitude for you. And I really, really appreciate it. A lot of people who are watching you right now in the interview, I'm sure they will understand this, that it requires a preparation to get the hike of 78%. If we are just going without the preparation, then accept the fate of 30% anyway. Okay. So that's the key message that I can see from your entire conversation of the 4 phases of growth that you have seen in the Career Acceleration Masters. I'm very much impressed with the way you have gone through it. Now, the only question I have for you is, what is the message that you have for the people like you who are actually in the mid-level career and feel like, okay, I can do it myself? Do you really need the help of a coach or a mentor, somebody, or you can probably do away with that? What is your thought about it?
Okay. So first of all, I'll start like this. When I've given the message of my new success story on Telegram, I have written the first quote, like, to give it a run, you will always have to run, how to crawl, how to walk, how to step down, and everything. Now, no one can does it alone. कोई भी बच्चा अपने से नहीं कर पाता. No one can does that. You need a holding hand to hold your fingers. You need someone to hold your balances. Now, CAM is something, until and unless you do it for yourself, it is not going to work. I'll say it's a coaching class, not a job creating platform, where you have provided all the pinpoint directions, pinpoint courses. If anyone can apply to their level, on what they are good at. If they document it, read it, summarize it, eat it, and digest it, then only these things will work.
Absolutely.
What I have understood. Apne se, until unless we do it by ourselves, what can God also can't help. Truly speaking. You showed us the road how to create the star formula. You showed us the road, and maybe that's the message which I want to give it to everyone. And it will be very one of the company to whom I got an interview. They directly put the word, you are going to answer me every question in a star format. Okay, that's an I think I just want to, I will not disclose the company name, that will not look good, but they told whatever I will ask, I want you to answer in a star format. Do you understand the star format? He asked me. And I said, no problem, I understand the star format.
Wow, so, that's awesome.
Yes. And I think the first stroke, I have just hit it. And I just hit a 6 on that. And he said, okay, no problem. And then he started questioning me. Trust me, everyone on the whoever can listen to me, no one is going to ask what technical knowledge and what programming we have done on senior management or management level. They want to see how we handle a risk, how we handle the situations and everything. That's where the star comes there. And I think jitni jaldi hum samajh jaye, that is the best part. Jitni jaldi we do our assessment, that is the best part, then only we can answer. I practice my 40 questions on a daily basis for 15 to 20 minutes a day.
Wow.
That's it, awesome. 15 to 20 minutes a day. In my mobile right now, the most used application is LinkedIn. I am online every time in LinkedIn. I am online. I'll comment somewhere here, somewhere there, comment something, I'll comment and I'll see, I'll share. I am getting likes on my post by a couple of people who are bigger shots in data science and everywhere, who work with Facebook and all, because I'm sharing their articles, I'm commenting on their articles, which is giving, right now my LinkedIn value is 60 out of 100. SSI
Wonderful.
score.
Excellent.
It was in 41 when I joined. So I've reached a good, and I want to cross that. That is my, until unless the challenge, that is one other thing. If people feel that camp has been taken, I paid the money, now things has to be put on a place. I'll just follow, no, it's not going to work. Until unless we challenge ourselves, CAM also cannot help us. Truly speaking, because it's just a coaching. It's just a coaching to enhance ourselves, to understand ourselves, rather than giving us a job. Because as you say, it is not a job, it's a career. And I choose for that. I think on one of the session I asked you, I'm an ITL person and I love data science. What should I do? Shall I change it? You said, bend yourself towards the data science and other products. And I did the same thing. I tried to put the same existing my skills towards that, which has helped me to get this offer. So that's it. If I'll talk, I'll go on and go on and go on. So 3-4 hours I can talk, because it has so much of impact on my personality. I cannot explain it. Another example, right now in the interview, whenever I used to speak, I used to always use now I don't have, because I understood how to pause and answer. I understood how to pause and construct. So this type of things can be built up. Yes, there are lots of YouTuber people. If people feel that they can go to an YouTube channels, then learn and come back and all these things, all the best, because they only put the video only with the 10% knowledge. Trust me, I have gone through this, and I'm just sharing my own experience. And investing on yourself is not a bad thing. Whether you do a certification, whether you opt for a course, whether you opt for a coaching center, anything, that is always good, because that's going to yield, not maybe by next day. That's an Indian typical mentality. मैंने आज पैसा आज खरीदा हूं ना, मुझे कल चाहिए. मुर्गी आज खरीदी, अंडा कल चाहिए. नहीं होता है. Murgi also need a little bit of time to lay down the eggs. So it took me around 4 months. 4 months to got an opportunity. It's not that preparation started 4 months after. I started preparation almost like 1 week after I opted for the camp. I'm sorry, but I have just gone through around 60% of the course. But yes, whatever I have gone through, I know the nook and corner of that course. I can utilize anywhere in my real life, my personal life, my professional, anywhere I can use that, because CAM is not only for professional life. CAM is for everything. You can utilize on your personal life also to
Absolutely.
enhance
And
myself.
I'm,
So
I'm
that's
truly
also
impressed.
that's it. That's from my side actually with respect to the learnings and everything. So yeah.
I'm truly impressed with the way you have actually imbibed this in your DNA. See, as I always say that if you imbibe this in your DNA, you can actually crack anything.
Yes.
But if you do not do it, just a surface level running, I would say that you are in for the very, very good surprises. The people who are in the
Absolutely.
camp, I truly believe in them, in their knowledge, skills, and experience. But at the same time, it has to be implemented at a different level. And what I have given you, the platform, the community, the coaching that I give every week, it is a value addition so
Yes.
that you can actually take yourself to the next level every day. So, what do you think about the community and the weekly meetings that is happening?
I think what I can say to all the members of camp is that I can see lots of active people who are active on telegrams or accountable partners or IDES groups and everything. Uh, it is the best platform where we can connect to each other. It is the best platform where we can assess each other. Compare with, yeah, and please don't. I'll suggest something. No need to get jealous with someone who got an offer or something. If someone joined the camp, then they have to have an attitude to help others. Right now, the what I got connected after with multiple people after my story has I put it on Telegram, and I have asked them to get me connected to LinkedIn or put their questions or anything, whatever they need a guidance or something. It has to happen. B, I think we have one of the biggest community of members from all over the departments and industries. Now,
Absolutely.
that's the best part we have. Manufacturing, HR, ITs, everything we have. Anyone wants to change, they can do it. Anyone
True.
wants to do something, they can do it. That is the one thing. Uh, See, I think the community is going in a very broader way right now, sir. And what I feel, the more people will join with us, but they need to have a trust on the camp. The way I did it. I'm talking about I because I did the same thing. So as you said, it is on my DNA right now. Until unless we build it inside the DNA, nothing's gonna work. So all the members, new members who have joined camp, all the existing members who have joined camp, don't lose hope. Everything's take a little bit of time. And as you said, so one day I think I was talking to you about my interview, जो हो नहीं रहा था, and you said सबको ऐश्वर्या राय नहीं मिलता है. And we have to keep that mind also somewhere down the line. Ki you may not get what you are looking for the first time. Maybe on the second time you will get it. That's not a big deal. Third thing, first and the second point that you'll take time or you may get the things. It will never happen until and unless we worked on us.
Oh, absolutely.
Simple stuff and that. Until unless we worked on us, neither this community will grow, neither the people will grow. Everyone has to work on their side. They have to contribute and help each other to reach to that level. Agar if and third point, suppose we now someone has not getting an accountability partners or something, make yourself only accountability partner. See the mirror and talk. That's the
Yeah.
best thing. I did it actually. Somewhere down the line, when I was looking for an accountability with respect to ITI, I was not getting it. I just make myself as my accountability partner. I started using my mirror. I created my questions I've given to my wife. I asked her, take my interview, any question, ask any questions out of this 40. Don't go on a serial level. I just want to see, assess how I can answer the questions without flumbling. And that's it, sir. Self-working is required. Until unless we work on self, nothing's going to work.
Absolutely. And I see the winner's mindset coming in place right now that you have actually groomed your mindset to be like this. So I'm very, very happy about way you have gone through it. Okay. And I just wanted to wish you all the best. For all the viewers who are looking at Amar Jyoti right now, please understand that this transformation has happened during the last 4 months that you are seeing right now in front of you. And the career acceleration mastery is where I actually come from as a mid-career thought leader and a growth mentor in India. We are running the India's largest community in the mid-career, where you are going to meet 64 industries and 24 different functional mid-career
Yes.
professionals who are sharing their values and knowledge and everything. So if you are one of them who are still waiting on the fence saying that, okay, I can do it yourself, let me tell you that you just need to join on the www.rakeshrana.co, and I will meet you live so that you can understand how you can transform your career like Amarjyoti has done and achieve what you really, really deserve. Because I believe every mid-career professional are still underachieving their potential, and you all can deserve more. Thank you very much for joining me, and we'll see you in the next Hall of Fame interview. Till that time, take care and God bless everyone.